Hello everyone. Today we will be learning how you can import your CSV file into your Firebase database. So let's have a look. This is my Firebase database in Firestore, and this is cities collection, and I do not have any records there. This is my spreadsheet where I have listed all the cities which I want to import in my Firestore database. Now I do not want all the columns, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete the columns I don't want, and then obviously the first row will be the name of the fields in the collection and the database. So I will download it as a CSV file. Then I go back to my code here. As you can see, it's very simple React importer file. You just have to install CSV reader in order to read the CSV file, and then everything will be taken care for you. I've written the function and the UI bit so that it makes it easier. So let's go back to the front end, how it looks like. So this is how it will look like once you have this file in your React project. Once you select the file, it will populate all the content of the file as you can see it here. And then the moment you click on import to Firebase, it will automatically import all the records one by one into your Firebase database. So let's click on it. Perfect. Okay, so let's go back to our Firebase and then see. Oh, there you go. All the records imported as we wanted with city, state, and country fields. So it's really simple, really helpful. There's lots of videos online showing you to download some softwares on your local machine and then import it into your Firebase, but this is just a really handy tool which I've built up for us. So I'm gonna link below the video for the URL of the code, and then you can use it as much as possible. Cheers.